Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the latest updates from Adobe Max for InDesign. And trust me, these new features will take your workflow to the next level. You're in for a treat if you want to save time, simplify everyday actions, and improve collaboration. Let's check out what's new. I've included a download link for Adobe software in the description below. Grab it to follow along with the tutorial. 1. Generative Expand. First up is the highly anticipated Generative Expand, now officially out of beta. This feature lets you quickly resize any graphic or document beyond its original borders. No manual resizing needed. Just click Generate or use a text prompt to tell InDesign how you want to extend the image, and boom, it seamlessly adds new content that fits perfectly with your existing artwork. You can even fine-tune the generated images in Photoshop if needed. This update is a massive time saver, allowing you to focus on the creative process rather than the technicalities. Oh, and a quick note, Generative Expand is designed for safe commercial use but isn't available for users in mainland China. Just keep that in mind. 2. Seamless integration with Adobe Express. Here's another great feature. InDesign now integrates smoothly with Adobe Express. You can set up a standard template in InDesign and then export it to Adobe Express with just one click. This is perfect if you collaborate with non-designers who need to make quick edits, like updating pricing or contact info. Even better, you can lock certain design elements to maintain brand consistency so no one accidentally messes up your layout. It's all about making teamwork easier without sacrificing quality, fostering a sense of unity in your design projects. 3. Text-to-image creation. This next feature is super cool. With text-to-image, you can generate images from a simple text prompt, right from within InDesign. Need a quick visual for your project? Just type what you're looking for, and in seconds, you've got a custom image ready to go. It's like having a personal graphic designer at your fingertips, empowering you to bring your creative vision to life. And just like with Generative Expand, this feature is safe for commercial use, but it's not available in mainland China yet. 4. Insert MathML as SVG. So there you have it, some amazing new features for InDesign that are all about making your workflow faster, easier, and more collaborative. Whether you're resizing images with Generative Expand, creating visuals with text-to-image, or locking down templates for team collaboration, these updates are here to save you time and hassle. They're not just new features, they're time-saving tools that will transform the way you work. If you're excited to try out these new tools, hit that like button and let me know in the comments which feature you're most hyped about. As always, don't forget to subscribe for more Adobe tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. The download link for Adobe is in the description below, so grab it and start creating. See you in the next video.